I honestly forgot how hard it was to make the introduction for these videos because I always hate the way my voice sounds. Hey, I'm back. Today's video is a bit of a different one that I've never done on my channel before. Two of my closest pen pals that I've been writing to for the longest, we decided that we were going to do Christmas swaps. So basically in this video I'm going to be unboxing one of them and then opening the second package and showing to you guys what they got me for Christmas. Obviously it is Christmas Eve and I hope you guys are having like a lovely day. And let me know down in the comments what your plans are for Christmas tomorrow other than the usual presents, food, family, friends, that kind of thing. I know the whole idea with presents is that you're meant to wait until Christmas Day to open them, but our family have always had this tradition where we'd open like 1 or 2 presents on Christmas Eve. I think kind of for especially children it just keeps the sort of Christmas feeling going and gets them more excited for the day to follow. I'm going to start off with the present that I got from my pen pal in Austria. I'm not going to say her name just for privacy reasons. If you're watching this video, hey, and thank you so much for the gifts. I'm sure I'm going to love them and you guys are going to get to see my reaction just now. This is what my pen pal from Austria sent me my mail in, and it's all wrapped up and it's got all the labels and custom stuff I think on it. So I'm just going to open this and start to show you what's inside. Please ignore like the awful sound of me ripping things open. I'm terrible at wrapping up presents, but I'm just as bad at opening them as well. It just is such a mess. I appreciate it not being like taped 100% shut. Oh wow, okay. There is a lot in this box. This is exciting. This is something that my pen pal has obviously made themselves, and what they've done is they've used lolly sticks and they've glued them together, and then they've made this really like festive little design thing. And she is so good, this pen pal, at calligraphy. Like, I'm jealous of her handwriting. But wow, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much. And my kitten has just come in, so if anything goes wrong, I'm blaming him. Here's the card. This is so adorable. I love it. I think you could put this on a tree. It's like a bauble. So I'm going to put this on my tree like right now. Can you see it? Yeah, I'll put it over here. There. Okay, I'm going to open this one now. So we got something here that's obviously some sort of vanilla stuff. I think. That looks like a vanilla flower, I'm not sure, but I can't read Austrian or German. I actually don't know what you guys speak over in Austria. That sounds so bad considering I have a pen pal there. But later I'm gonna go like Google and find out what this is. But there's like little ball things inside. I'm not sure if it's maybe something you eat or like drink. Let me know if you guys know what this is. Do tell me. Look at this washi tape. Washi tape is absolutely one of my favorite craft supplies at the moment, and these look really pretty, so I absolutely love washi tapes. Another one of these things, which I weren't sure what they were. I'm dropping everything. So I'm gonna have to find out what this one is. I'm not quite sure what flower this might be, but again, if you guys know what these are, let me know. This is so lovely. I don't have a Christmas mug, so this is just wow. It says Merry Christmas on it with a little tree, and we have a chocolate inside. More washi tapes. Can never go wrong with washi tapes. I urge you guys, if you're making like any sort of decorations and you don't know how to jazz them up, get like a bunch of these things because they're so useful. It's just like pulling out tentacles. Kind of like a squidgy thing, and it says on the label that it's glow in the dark, so I'm guessing it's just sort of like a stress thing that you can squeeze and fiddle with. I know the idea is to like pull the string and it comes off, but I don't follow logic half the time. So these are some label stickers. These are going to be really good because I'll put these in my notebook. Not sure if you can see them very well in the lighting and the way the camera's focused. This is summing up my life today. These are like little pegs that you can use to hold up decorations, or like say you had like a string and you wanted to peg like Polaroids onto them. These would be really good for that. I love this wrapping paper. I hate having to like waste it when I'm ripping it open like a beast. I don't want to spend half this video just having you guys watch me struggle to unwrap. I love these. So basically, I have quite a few of these, not in this style though, which is good, and it's a design block, so it has like loads of different coloured bits of card in here, and you can just like cut them up, or you can make them into cards to give people. These stickers, these are really unique looking. I think they would look well in one of the sort of more vintage sort of pages of my notebook. Scrapbook. Honestly, you would not believe that I film videos sometimes. Next is a smaller sort of design block of paper. It's basically like a small one of these kind of things. There's like different pages and they say different things on them. Oh, these ones have quotes. Yeah, so things like that basically. And it's a lovely gift. These ones are definitely going to be good in my scrapbook and to send to friends because it looks like there's some motivational bits in here. You can never go wrong with fluffy socks. I absolutely adore them. And I don't have any grey ones, which is really good because I have like a lot of every other colour of sock, but not grey ones, so thank you very much for these. You are amazing just the way you are. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. Sorry, I'm just reading these out as I hold them up. And life's a journey, not a race. So these are things obviously that my pen pal has like handwritten myself, and if you can see that, she has really good like handwriting, so everything she sends when she writes it always looks amazing. More of the sort of antique looking stickers, and this one just says love and I love you. So I think because I don't have a boyfriend or anything, it's not kind of like I'm going to be sending these to someone specifically. But I might put them in my scrapbook. And on to the final present. These are awesome. So like, I don't think these are actually stamps that you could put on mail as to sort of pay to send mail. But these are like really nice looking little stamps, I think from other different countries. I think these are just sort of like vintage style stamps. These are really pretty. So that was all the presents from the first swap, and thank you so much to my pen pal, especially if you're watching this, because I absolutely loved all the presents that you gave me. They were perfect for me, and I know I didn't wait quite till Christmas Day to open them, but I just wanted to show everyone all the lovely things that you gave me, and I really hope that you like the presents that I gave you as well. I probably could have gone to more effort to actually wrap the presents, because I just kind of put them in one big wrapping, but nevertheless I hope you like them anyway, and I'm so happy to be your pen pal. Like, it's always great getting mail from you and sending mail to you, and it would be really cool one day if we could meet. Now I'm going to go on to my next swap. I have no idea if I'm going to get time to film this. Judging by how little space there's on my camera, I'm gonna give it a go. So this swap came in this parcel, and with this pen pal we were just doing like little gifts, so there's not gonna be like a whole huge lot of presents like the last ones you just saw. So I'm just gonna open it now. So as predicted, my camera ran out right when I was like opening all the last presents, so I'm just gonna have to try and show them to you vlog style. I apologize for like the grainy quality. I hope you can see that. This is really pretty. I love washi tape. You can never go wrong with it. It's great for decorating everything, and I'll definitely be using this, so this was a great present. The next thing that I got were these stickers that came from Paper Chase, and I absolutely adore Paper Chase. They do amazing stationery, and these stickers are like, what's the word? Sort of holographic, so yeah, they're really pretty. Then we have some Claire's earrings. I hope you can kind of see what they look like. I realise I'm looking over here when the camera's there, but I think they're meant to be butterfly wings. It says that they're sterling silver, so these are definitely good quality. And I do indeed have my ears pierced, so I'll definitely be using these at some point. Then there's a Lindor chocolate bar. Lindor is like one of the best brands of chocolate, after Cadbury's probably for me. I'm gonna eat this like after I finish this video. If I could speak, that would be good. I was looking at a pack of gold foil washi tapes on eBay, and this is one of the ones I was looking at, and actually getting it now is really handy because that means I don't have to buy it myself. And the last two presents were two face masks. So we have a peel off Manuka honey and a strawberry one. Different brands, but I'm definitely going to be trying them out because everyone loves smooth skin. I'm just going to leave this video here and say thank you very much to that pen pal who sent me everything. It's absolutely lovely, and I hope that you like what I sent you. overall, thank you so much for all the presents. I'm really grateful. Obviously Christmas isn't about just presents, but it's always nice to receive things, and I love giving gifts to others too. I put like 15 under the tree so far for my family, so I hope that they'll like theirs. Have a really good Christmas, and I'll see you guys back after Christmas, maybe on the 28th, with a video about what I got for Christmas from like family and stuff.